Apple CarPlay enables you to access selected apps and functions on your iPhone wirelessly and conveniently while driving. Depending on your BMW's make and model, Apple CarPlay can be operated via various iDrive functions such as the iDrive controller, the touchscreen, or voice control. For easy use, the BMW control display adopts the familiar iPhone interface to view your smartphone's contents. No account or registration is required. To use Apple CarPlay, an iPhone 5 or newer is required. To be paired with your car just once. In case your iPhone is already on your BMW's Bluetooth device list, it must be removed and then paired once again. To do so, activate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Now you can pair your phone with your vehicle. Just scroll up to the menu Communication. Select Manage Mobile Devices and then Connect New Device. Choose the option Apple CarPlay and confirm the pairing procedure on both your car's control display and your iPhone. Selected vehicle data is sent to your iPhone when using Apple CarPlay. The navigation system's main menu now displays the familiar Apple Home button, which enables you to access Apple CarPlay. Either use the iDrive controller or, in selected models, the touchscreen to operate your favorite functions such as music or telephony. Furthermore, Apple CarPlay enables the use of voice control or Siri. To activate Siri, press the voice assistant button on the steering wheel for 1 second. Now, text or WhatsApp messages can be read out loud to you by Siri, as well as being answered and sent by you via voice control. Apple CarPlay, the convenient way to use your iPhone in your car.
Alpine introduces the all-new Halo 9 media station, designed to bring a 9-inch touchscreen to vehicles with a 1-DIN installation dock. The display can be fully adjusted in elevation and angle at the time of installation to match a wide variety of vehicle dashboards. The Alpine Halo 9 features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility.
Hi, what can I do for you?
If you are a Spotify user, you can simply browse among millions of songs, create your own playlists, and enjoy everything in your car. WhatsApp reads new messages for you and lets you dictate and send your own messages.
Would you like me to read your messages or compose a new one?
Use the latest smartphone apps, such as WhatsApp, Amazon Music, Spotify, and Google Play Music in a convenient and safe way while you drive. Google and Apple Maps help you navigate and include many convenient features such as POIs and traffic information. There are also database interfaces available for many vehicles that allow you to display parking sensors, air conditioner settings, and more. The Alpine Halo 9 also features DAB+ digital radio, Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming, as well as USB video playback. Bring the future of car media to any vehicle with a 1-DIN radio dock. The all-new Alpine Halo 9.
one.